Everyone, this video is for chapter 32 Environment Pollution. Pollution is the addition of harmful substances to air, water, and land. These harmful substances are known as pollutants. There are four kinds of pollution: air, water, noise, and soil pollution. We have already learned about air pollution and water pollution in previous video. So let us learn about noise pollution and land pollution. So let's get started. Land pollution. Dumping of garbage and waste material on land or underground in a way that can contaminate the soil and underground water is termed as land pollution. The garbage decays and becomes a breeding place for rats, mosquitoes, flies, and other disease carriers. It also becomes a source of unpleasant odor and dangerous chemical which seep into the soil and make it unfit for agriculture. They also pollute underground water sources. Sources of land pollution. Agricultural residues, pesticides and fertilizers, burning of solid waste, when solid fuels like coal, wood, and other things like paper, plastics, and rubber, etc., are burnt, the debris left behind pollutes the soil. Mining activities. Mining and other activities which require cutting of trees, growing the land quality. Industrial waste, metal, and plastic materials are carelessly disposed as solid garbage by manufacturing industries. These substances release dangerous chemicals as they react with the air and water, mostly in the harsh heat of the sun. Metal, glass, paper, etc., dumped along with organic waste in landfill areas instead of recycling. Noise pollution. Sounds form an integral part of our lives. We enjoy talking and listening to music, but loud music in concerts, public and private functions make us feel tired and irritable. This is called noise pollution. Noise pollution has affected the lifestyle of humans to a great extent. Sources of noise pollution: transportation, motors, vehicles, aeroplanes, submarines, and ships, home appliances, food mixers and grinders, pressure cookers, vacuum cleaners, coolers, and air conditioners, generators in market and homes, public functions. Excessive use of loudspeakers in musical concerts, marriages, and celebrations of festivals. Factories and industries. Several manufacturing processes use machines that produce a very loud sound while working. Sirens also create a loud and deafening sound. This also creates tremendous noise pollution. Construction work like drilling and demolishing buildings cause noise pollution. Effects of pollution. Pollution damages the environment whether it is land, water, or air. It adversely affects land and animal life on the earth. Environmentally, pollution is one of the biggest problems faced by men today. Here are some ill effects of pollution. Air pollution causes a number of diseases of the eyes as well as of the respiratory system. People living in industrial areas often suffer from breathing problems. Some harmful gases released by factories combine and with water vapor and cause acid rain which damages soil, lawns as well as buildings. Plants that grow in polluted soil are of a poor quality. Consuming polluted water causes waterborne diseases such as dysentery, cholera, typhoid, and jaundice, besides skin infections. Here, headaches and disturbed sleep are often related to being in noisy area for long periods of time.